Hey guys, welcome everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I am going to talk about Cashmere Labs. First of all, the airdrop status is potential, not confirmed. So if you want to do this project at your own risk, so good to go. Otherwise, leave this project or you can leave this video also. But here are many tasks available to do. First of all, there are guild tasks, and in the guild tasks, you can see many tasks available here. Like let me show you uh, for the guild. Okay, as you can see here, you have to follow them and hold some nfts. You will get the nft from the galaxy, and the second and third nft you will get from this link. Maybe when I will do, obviously I will share each and every minor announcement in the telegram channel, so don't forget to join us in the telegram channel. And then first of all, you just need to complete this thing, and this is mainnet actually tasks. Like you have to go to this site and you need to claim. I will show each and every step in future also the nft claim option, but this is not available for now. I have to talk to the team. And for now, so which tasks actually are available, just try to complete those, and then come to the Geely. And when you come to the Geely and go to the Geely site, and then you will get some quest. You just need to complete those, and you will get some role maybe on their discord channel. And then the main thing is available here, the Casimir public Devnet is live. So their Devnet is live on their official website is available. You can see here is the points tab. When you will come to this site, I already shared each and every steps how to connect your wallet, but still saying, when you will connect your wallets, and then you just need to switch to the test net. Like if you are on mainnet on every chain like EVM, SBM or SUI, so just click on the Sepolia and just switch it. Like if you want to use, if you are using the slash wallet, so just come to this button, like the right bottom corner, and click on the profile button, then click on the network tab, and then switch to the testnet. Okay, that's it. And if you are using backpack, so just let me unlock my wallet here, and then come to this profile button, click on it, and then click on settings, then preferences, then click on the developer mode, and then go back. And now you can see this symbol, and just click on the add network, and just click on Solana Devnet, so it will be switched to testnet. And then when you will connect each and every wallet successfully, then what do you need to do? Actually, you need some faucet to perform those tasks which are available. Just we need to swap the stable token from one chain to another chain. So first of all, the circle faucet, you can see each and every link um, I already opened, and I claimed those faucets. So you also need to do the same task, just claim all faucets which are available, and then you will good to go for the testnet tasks actually to perform. So when you will select the Ethereum, actually I don't have Aptos wallet right now, so that's why I am using the Ethereum, Solana or Sui chain. You can see I have some balance, like 5 USDC on Ethereum. Just let me show you. I am just putting one. Okay, okay, let me put 0.5 USDC. I want to swap to Sui chain, and let me show you. And here is two options really are fee in native means the gas fee, which is official gas fee by the chain, the Sepolia. And you can see there are stable option also. Stable means it will be charged from the stable tokens, like from the USDC. So this is the difference between those. There is a no far difference between, but still if you want to use the function, obviously you can go for it, but I will suggest that try native, obviously. So first of all, just put your number, what you actually which amount you want to swap from one chain to another chain, and then just click on the swap button. And when you will click, obviously in return for every transaction, in return you will get some points. And the leaderboard, there is some glitch actually going on, so maybe they will fix it very soon. So when you will be completed the first transaction and you will get some points, it will delay some time. Just wait, and it will show. Okay, just let me click again and now you can see this is a glitch mainly. So that's it, they will fix it day by day, no problem. The Devnet is going on, that's why. So we have to test their actually the swapping system, and you can see this is working very well. Just there is some problem on leaderboard, so they will fix it very soon. The points is 0 it's showing. And complete those all tasks which are available on Galaxy or Geely. So that's it for the video. And one more thing, must need to join their Discord, because there are many announcements they obviously do in future, or about if you want to know about this project, so you must need to join their Discord server, because you can connect with them, or you can ask any type of queries to their mods. So that's it for this video guys, see you, bye bye, stay tuned. So see you in the next video.